I'm so happy to announce that this is a collaboration with Lame Bench. In today's video, we decided to curate 2 fantasy outfit playlists for you guys.
Who wants to play video games?
o.airen.o's Oh Yeah is my favorite party music as of the moment. The bright vibes and a perfect remix is something I'm always up to. To incorporate my glittery makeup, I chose an off-shoulder top because it's so easy to put on, and a peach lingerie for a pop of color. Also paired it with some beach shorts to make it all comfy and cute. This outfit resembled the perfect party outfit which I referenced to in the music video.
So, I went out with that guy the other night. He kept talking at me about some movie that I've already fucking seen. Then he tried to go home with me. I ditched. Such a dick.
Come and Go by Running on Everything is one of my favorite songs lately because of its bubbly atmosphere and reminds me of some 90s movies I've watched as a kid. Pairing patterns and something plain is always one of my go-to looks on school. Top it all off with a bright emo eyeshadow.
Like an angel, a whole fucking star, and she laughs and takes my hand like she wants me to know that I'm a king. Diamond ring, got it under control. I buy her drinks and things and pay to get in the club. And she says, get me a Henny, cause I wanna get drunk. But when I get back to the table, she's nowhere to be found. And isn't it just like a hoe to play me like I'm a clown?
Cause if on Sunday you love me, by Monday I know things could get ugly. Cause baby that's don't wanna fall in love again. Just wanna stay right where we lay. Never wanna fall in love again.
Hey Youngs Don't Wanna Fall in Love Again is my favorite chill and coffee music as of the moment. The song radiates elegance and fairy vibes that makes it feel calm and relaxing. I wore a cute mesh top to replicate the enchanting sound of this music. Add a medium skirt for more enchantment. The fairy dust for this look are the gold accessories.
1,004 conversations, everything but expectations now. You make it all a sensation.
I hope you enjoyed this outfit playlist. Now it's your time to check out Lame Bench's playlist as well. Good luck on your next journey. Bye!